you ever wondered why is it so easy for some people to always stay positive, to be empowered, to push themselves harder and to pursue their goals? It's because they just appreciate themselves.
Kids, I have some questions for you, which my friend said. Shall I ask you them?
Yes,
Do you appreciate yourself?
I appreciate myself if I do something good to others selflessly.
Yes, I do appreciate myself. I wake up in the morning and then I say to myself that it's your day, just get on the floor and rock it.
I don't just like myself, I love myself. And why? Because I don't see a reason as to not to.
I do appreciate myself, but I don't think I really spend time on appreciating myself. Like I haven't thought about it.
I appreciate myself. There is no limit to appreciate myself because I don't need anybody else to appreciate me.
I do like myself. It just gives me the confidence and power to overcome anything.
It's all about self-esteem. Different people have different opinion. It's about the high self-esteem feeling and the low self-esteem feeling that we have about ourselves.
And I'm feeling good.
There it goes. We have this positive feeling of high self-esteem when we feel that we are good, we are adequate, and others view us positively. Too bad. We have this negative feeling of low self-esteem when we feel that we are not good and we are not as worthy as others. Your appearance, your performance, your work, your relationship with yourselves and people determines how you think about yourself.
There has been sometimes, very rarely I feel down, there are mood swings sometimes. But I try to pull myself up and I don't depend on anyone that much.
Yes, I do feel low about myself quite a bit of the time when I don't get marks my parents expect, or I can't complete some tasks my friends or my other classmates can do.
Just because my part of a day is bad, I don't feel with the same mood the whole day. I try to be happy all the time. Even if bad things happen, I try to cheer myself up so that I come out of it, and I try hard to do whatever task is given to me.
But self-esteem is a state which varies from time to time and hour to hour and day to day. When you have succeeded in a task, when you have done something useful, when you are being accepted and valued by others, and then you appreciate yourself.
I have felt low of myself when my parents had scolded me for doing wrong things.
When you have failed, when you have done something harmful, when you are being ignored or criticized by people, and then you really feel low about yourself. That okay to live a life with that low self-esteem. Your thinking, your age, your abilities, your physical limitations, genetic factors, your environment, everything plays a major role in what you think about yourselves. We have no points to argue why you have that low self-esteem or find excuses to be less confident. All it requires is to have that high self-esteem, to be motivated and to taste success throughout your life.
You'll come across hard times, but then you have to cross all those hurdles.
I do try to be a better person than yesterday so I can be strong and confident.
While having this healthy self-esteem helps you achieve because you navigate life with this positive, assertive attitude and that you believe you can accomplish your goals. If you have these, you have high self-esteem. And if you have these, you are probably having low self-esteem. You might be feeling low personally or professionally, at work or at a relationship, or when you are communicating with people. You just can build high self-esteem by just focusing on yourself. If you feel bad about what you cannot do, it means you are approaching on things what you can't do. Rather, reinforce on things what you are good at. Just believe in yourself. Believing in yourself and accepting who you are important factors for success, happiness, and relationship. Master your thinking and take control of your emotional states. Remove your limiting ideas that you have about yourself and your abilities. Remove old habits and install new ways of thinking and behavior. Step out of your comfort. Doing something new is energizing and you see a new version of yourself. Have goals and milestones, not just for your profession. You just have a personal life too. Apply newfound confidence in all areas of your life. Journey within to rewrite your habitual psychological patterns. Have this high self-esteem because the world sees you the way how you see yourself. Subscribe and click the bell icon for more interesting videos.